People have been asking me, why is that jobs are very difficult to get into? You want to know why? Just stick around. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Remark TV. People have been asking me, why is it difficult that? Why is it that when people come here, they take very long time to find a job? Some go back without getting a job. Some have to go visa change 2-3 times before they find a job. It's very simple. Dubai is a very competitive country. Many people have come from different nationalities in search of jobs. And because people have come from many different nationalities, the supply of laborers has exceeded demand. And if supply exceeds demand, what happens? The chances of getting a job becomes very slim, very limited. That's why you can find yourself in this country for more than 3 months, for more than 6 months, and you will never get a job. It's not because the jobs are not there. See, the jobs are there, but the problem is the number of job seekers are just too many. I remember when I came here in the year 2000, late 2016, December 2016, my very first interview, which was an open interview, we went for a job that they needed 6 people. We were more than 300 of us. Okay, you check the probability of taking out 6 from 300. Obviously, so many people will go back home without a job. That's exactly what is happening in India. Some people are saying that no, the country, there are no jobs in the country, there are this. No, it's a highly competitive country. When the world is concentrated here, the world is focused in this area. That's when things become tough. And that also has to affect the salary. That's why salary paychecks or the payroll in UAE here is very low. Because if you are not ready to take the job, there's another person who is desperate. He will take it. And the other reason, second reason why jobs are very difficult to find over here in the UAE goes with nationalities. There are some nationalities that for them to ever find a job here is very difficult. Example, Cameroon and Nigeria. This is because of the kind of impression we have given the locals here. The kind of impression we have given the employers. When we get employed, when they give us the job, we are in a hurry to leave because we have found a new opportunity which offers a better salary. What matters to us more is what we are going to get. We don't care about what happens to the company. That company have gone through a lot to apply for your visa. They have spent money which you didn't give a single dirham for. They did everything for you, and in some cases they even train you for a job which you know nothing about. They pay for your training fee, and then all of a sudden you want to leave them for your contract. They give you 2 years contract, and you are just 6 or 7 months into the contract, and you say you want to resign. This goes a long way to make job difficult for us, because once you resign, you leave an impression. What's the impression? You leave an impression that these particular nationalities are very stubborn. They are people that you cannot trust. After we sacrifice, we make all this for you, and still you decide to leave. You don't care about the amount of money you are spending in getting you a license, the amount of money you are spending in getting you a visa, all the amount of money you have spent in getting you an accommodation. But what we care is just ourselves. We don't want to know what happens to the company, how much loss the company has made for us. That's why nationalities like Cameroon and Nigeria, it is very difficult for us to get a job here. You will see even online, you go to look for a job online, you find they are posting a job and they are putting Filipinos only, Indian, Pakistanis. Why? These are people that are reliable. These are people that you can trust. Once they get a contract, they don't easily give up. They don't forget about what the company has done for them when they were in. They make sure they finish the contract, and in some cases they even renew and do continue with the company. They do like 2-term contract before they can even say let them resign and get another job. But that's not the case with us Africans. Most Africans, not only Cameroon and Nigerians. other African nationalities, Tanzania, Uganda, they are doing this same type of things. This has gone a long way to make it very difficult for us to get a job here. Because an employer will see maybe 20 people will come for an interview, and he will quickly look at the nationalities and select. He takes someone who will give him less stress and less headache. That's why nationalities, as far as job is concerned, plays a big role. When you are coming from Africa, especially from Cameroon and Nigeria, your chances of getting a job in these countries are very slim. This is not because they hate us. It's because of the impression we have left out, we have put out there in the public. It's because of the things that we have done. You know, there's a common saying that once bitten, twice shy. And these guys, they are also very intelligent. Once they have come across a couple of us with this kind of character, they want them to believe that we are all the same. And the next point is, you know how. Why is difficult for you to carry, why is difficult for you to find a job, especially when you are a fresher? Most jobs are posted online. These employers, they want someone who has experience. Of course, as a businessman, you want to look for the best. You want to get the very best out of the labor force. The chances for a fresher to get the jobs are very slim, because the employer, they are focusing on those who can really render the services. And for you to be able to render the services, their satisfaction, then you must have had some experience. So, as a fresher, your chances of getting jobs are very slim. That's why jobs are always very difficult to get in the UAE. Apart from the other factors listed, your know-how, your experience also counts a lot. If you are a fresher, you are going to likely find it difficult to get a job. And even if you find a job, you definitely will find a job that requires little or no experience. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you think somebody is around you who wants to know why getting a job in Dubai is difficult, why don't you share this video with that person? It's your boy Mark Nivo. See you in the next video. Ciao.